In last week's video, we introduced credit repair. In part 2, we will talk about the steps one takes to begin credit repair. Are you a first-time homebuyer struggling with low credit scores? Maybe you have faced rejection while trying to get a loan, feeling like your financial journey has reached a dead end. Worry not, because we have got your back. So, how does one begin credit repair? The first step is to get a copy of your credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Look for any errors, incorrect information, or accounts that don't belong to you. Dispute errors with the credit bureaus, and they will investigate and correct any mistakes. If you have any outstanding debt, don't ignore it. Contact your lenders and negotiate a payment plan. This will update your payment status and give you a positive payment history, which will improve your credit score. Moreover, try not to apply for any new credit accounts, as this can negatively impact your credit score. Remember, credit repair is a process, and there are no quick fixes. Lastly, if credit repair seems overwhelming, seek professional help. At Nuecred, our credit repair experts can guide you through the process, and we offer customized solutions based on your needs. We provide an affordable, reliable, and effective service that is tailored to our clients' needs, while going above and beyond to find the right path for you. Our services are transparent, meaning we won't make bold and untrue claims about what credit repair can do for you. In conclusion, credit repair is essential for first-time homebuyers who have credit challenges or anyone who wants to improve their credit scores. Take the first step and get your credit report, dispute any errors, contact your lenders for outstanding debt, and seek professional help if needed. Remember, good credit is a journey, not a destination. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out to us at Nuecred for any credit repair needs.